Hello everyone. So now that you have created your survey, let's move on to the next step, which is survey setup and launch. As you can see in the feasibility section, we have our inbuilt CPI calculator in which you can drag the values of the total completes, LOI and IR, and you can see the costing in real time. You can also select one of the advanced settings below provided to see the final cost. In the Qualification Library tab, we have the Question Library section which contains all the available questions. In My Question section, you can create your own questions by clicking Create New Qualification, enter the name, enter the qualification type, change the status of the question to active, and check whether it is a core demographic, enter the country name, select the language, enter the qualification question text, enter the options, and done. You successfully added your question. In My Question section, you can edit your questions, you can download or you can delete your question as well. As you can see, the question has been successfully deleted. In the qualification section of the surveys tab, as you can see, you can add a qualification, select a question, select the display options, and then set the qualification. As you can see, a multiple qualification has been added. In the Quotas tab, you can add a quota, you can search the question or you can select the question, and you can add the number of quotas. As you can see, the number of allocations can be more than the expected number of completes. And save. As you can see, a quota has been added successfully, and you can see the number of completes, the total remaining, and the conversion rates. In the allocation tab, you can see the superallocation, the performance metrics, and also the redirect info. In the report tabs, you can see the performance metrics of the brand awareness, which is our survey. You can see the respondent activity and the incident rate, quota rate. We'll cover the reconciliation tab in the next one. The security tab. In the security tab, some features are already selected by default, and you can also select some of the other features to strengthen your survey. And you can also select which device you can access this service, which is mobile, tablet, or desktop. In the responses answers tab, you can see the respondent answers. Similarly, in the termination data tab, you can see the terminated survey sessions.